Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. It's snowing here. Yeah, we're gonna jump into the charts for Bitcoin in the snow from my phone, and we're gonna do some trades. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Check out this beautiful forest in the snow. Most of Europe's not snowing, but here it's snowing, which is awesome. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. There was some news that Huobi, there's some warnings about Huobi right now. So be careful if you have money on Huobi exchange. Bybit is my favorite exchange. I know the CEO. I know they make a lot of money. I know they're solvent. Like they have a lot of capital. And it's the second biggest volume for Bitcoin and Ethereum trading. So in my opinion, I trust Bybit, but again, I only keep 140 something thousand on Bybit. Don't keep too much money on exchanges, just what you need for trading or withdrawing, etc. Make sure you learn about cold storage as I teach in the Crypto Master course. Use your own wallets, use Ledger. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Epic. We're jumping into technicals. This is Binance. Binance is making a bullish pennant. Bullish pennants are bullish patterns, and if we get a breakout here, it would be nice to long Bybit off here, 255. But let's go into Bitcoin first, then we'll come back. Oh, my hands are freezing. We're going to Bitcoin 16,798. I specifically wanted to come record in the snow. So this is Bitcoin. We had the hold of this trend line. In my opinion, I think it's coming down to this support down here at 6,598. 16,598. This is the descending triangle that's playing out right now, which is a bearish, it looks like bearish pattern here. We do have this kind of similar, so we got this and then inverse head and shoulders, which could be bullish pattern to the breakout to the upside. On the longer term time frame, when we go out on the hourly, we can see that there's a bullish pattern on the longer term time frame. But usually it plays out like this, these big rising triangles. They play out like this. This one here, it builds pressure, and then breaks out to the upside. If that happens, that will take us to 17,800. But I do think we have a chance to come down to 16,584 first. So dropping down, then activating the trade, and then going long, as I talked about yesterday. That's the trade that I'll take on Bitcoin, opening at 16,584, stop loss at 17,822. Take profit 17,822 and stop loss 16,527. It's risking $57 to make $1,237 without leverage. I'm on a 20x leverage long on this trade, so that will be around $24,000 per Bitcoin. You can see here I've got the trade already set up on Bitcoin, 1.1 Bitcoin, already on Bybit. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under the video here in the description of the video, you can click the join button to see my live alerts on YouTube, where you'll see my stock alerts, and down below you can sign up to Bybit. If you sign up to Bybit, you can get $30,000 worth of bonuses, but you need to use the link in the description or the pinned comment by signing up to Bybit. You can also buy MCRT on there and take the Crypto Master course with 7,000 students to learn what I'm doing, and join the free Telegram live alerts group. Also, we have other languages for the channel, so if you want to watch my videos in different languages, in the description you'll see all the different languages. Let's go into BNB now. So that's the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. Let's go into BNB. BNB. Gala broke out a little bit, which is beautiful. BNB. Where is it? Did I miss it? Doge, Bitcoin, Meta, Uni, Bitcoin, Cake, BNB. So on the hourly, we are oversold, and it's looking like it's got a divergence. A bullish divergence. RSI is coming down while the price is going up, which is interesting. You can see here the RSI is going down while the price is going up. It's a bullish divergence. Let's look on the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, we are overbought, but it's still heading up. On the daily, we're oversold, heading up. So BNB could go for a run here, and it's making a bullish pennant. I would open a long here on a little bit of it bounced off quite strongly here at 255. That was a nice time to be going long. I was going to set that trade, but I was busy a little bit. So this is the setup that we're seeing now on BNB. Symmetrical triangle. That if it breaks out, it'll break out to the bottom of the base of the triangle, this one here. So we would get a movement like this. So I'd go long on BNB. Actually, it looks like it could break out here. RSI is oversold as well on the 15 minutes. Let's look at stochastic. Stochastic heading up strongly on the 15 minutes. On the hourly, oversold, heading up. On the 4 hourly, heading down, so be careful. It can come down first before bouncing and then going up. On the daily, overbought. So I would go long on BNB like this. I would open a long on BNB after it does this, so building pressure in this symmetrical triangle, bouncing down, activating from down there. So I would go long on BNB from this point here. Stop loss very tight, just underneath in case the trade fails, and the take profit all the way up at 267. And the trade, if you took the last BNB trade, that played out perfectly, which is beautiful. We took profits, I think $900 on that trade. This is the trade that I would take on BNB. So it's risking 70 cents to make $12 without leverage, with 10x leverage $120, 20x leverage $240. And it would also make a bullish, this is the trade that I would take on BNB. So I'm going to set this trade now on Bybit. So if you want to go down below and sign up and trade Bybit, use that link. Once you sign up, you'll open up this account, like you'll have an account like this. And again, don't keep much funds on your trading account. In this account, I have $139,000 in here. I've got in here Bitcoin 4.3, Bitcoin 72,000. I've got 4.3 Bitcoin, I've got 30,000, 31,000, 7.8 million MCRT, I've got 9,400 USDT, I've got 4,200 Uniswap, I've got Ethereum 2,000. This is what I'm holding. Don't hold much funds on trading accounts. Just do what you trade. I have 140,000. However, I do trust Bybit. I like the CEO, I like the company, but I do keep very little funds on there. Let's go into BNB trade. So I'm going to open a BNB trade. I'm going to do $1,000 trade. I'm going to open it at where I showed so the way you read my charts, this one is where the trade takes profit, this is where the trade opens, and this is where the trade stop loss is. So you can see the red line is the stop loss at 254, opening the trade at 255 and take profit at 268. So 255.4, 255.4 is where the trade will open. I'm going to go long. 268 is where I take profit, and stop loss 268 is where I take profit, and stop loss is at 255. So I'm risking $31. We could take more risk. I'm risking $109. 254 will be my stop loss. $109 risk to make $100 risk, $109 to make $986 profit. So I'm going to take this trade. I'll share this in the Telegram. Confirm. I'm opening a long, which will be a $10,000 or $20,000 long on BNB. It's a 20x leverage trade. I'm using $999 for this trade. Confirm. That trade order is now set. So now I've got 2 orders set on BNB and Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Again, if you want to trade, underneath this video down below, sign up to Bybit in the description or the pinned comment. Use that link. You need to use that link to get the $30,000 of bonuses, and it is for a limited time only. So make sure you quickly sign up to Bybit using that link. Which is beautiful. I'm going to also show you, I was in team meeting for MCRT today. This is the warning. Huobi shut down internal employee communications groups and feedback channels. So be careful if you have funds on Huobi. Crypto in 2021, crypto in 2022, we all know. This is the Archer, this is going to become, this is the Archer in the game, which is going to be integrated. If you've been following the game development, he was a 2D model, now he's a 3D model, wireframes, development, designs, and now he's coming to life, and he will be put into the game very shortly. So if you have an Archer NFT, soon you will be having him in the game, which is incredible. The game is already live, beta.magicraft.io. You can already play. You can see here people playing on their iOS phone. This is the play to earn game MCRT. This is my project. You can see people playing on phone. It's an epic game. People playing now on PC, cross-compatible, and people playing on PC. You can play on PC now, iOS and Android, cross-compatible. This is one of the maps coming to life in the game, which is epic. You can see the maps coming to life and how they're developed. We have an amazing team building MCRT, and you can play already MAGICCRAFT beta. You can already play the private beta at beta.magiccraft.io. You can already play, which is epic. Thank you for watching, everyone. In the next video, I'll do Ethereum and anything you request in the description. Subscribe down there, hit that subscribe button, click the join button if you want to see my live trades on YouTube. Smash up thumbs up button. Pay attention to MCRT, everyone. We are building, and soon the Web3 systems will be released, which is going to be epic. Soon you will be able to connect your wallet and start playing the game directly for MCRT. Right now you can win 40,000 MCRT per day of prizes, 3,000 maximum per person. But soon the Web3 systems are going to be activated, which is going to be epic. I can't wait to see that. And it's already playable. You can already play on PC, Android, and iOS. You can already earn money. People are already earning huge amounts of money daily from MCRT, from playing games. Let's jump in. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.